the remote control for your nervous system. Did you know that your breath is then a remote control for your nervous system? Most people live their life at the mercy of their stress hormones, reacting to everything because they don't know how to operate the controller. Welcome to day 117, Getcured 365, your healing blueprint. In the ancient science of yoga, the prana is not just air. It is a vital life force that animates your cells. Yama means the mastery. The pranayama is the bridge between the physical body and the mental mind. When you master your breath, you bridge the gap between your biological impulses and your highest awareness. Patanjali understood the science of the brain thousands of years ago. He taught that the mind and the breath are locked in a feedback loop. When the breath is erratic, the mind is erratic. When you consciously regulate your breath, you automatically stop the mental fluctuations that causes your suffering. At Getcured, we don't just breathe. Our healing blueprint uses specific breath loops designed to hack your vagus nerve. We teach you to flip the switch from fight or flight, where stress poisons your organs, to rest and repair instantly. This is how you dissolve the chronic inflammation and reclaim your peace in the world that never stops moving. Stop reacting to your life and start mastering it. Learn your custom breath loop at getcured.in. Let's master your life together. See you on day 118. Stay blessed.